Welcome to this opportunity presentation of a passive income stream that is allowing the everyday person to plug and profit from the largest financial industry in the world, which is the foreign exchange market, a $6.2 trillion per day industry, and you can get your piece of it too. If you've ever tried to trade currency by yourself, you may know the frustrations and the difficulties and the patience and the emotional and mental fortitude that it requires. But now we can leverage technology, algorithmic trading to have that done for us on autopilot. I'm your host, and let's take a deep dive into this opportunity and understand why now close to 100,000 people are being able to plug and profit and why they're leveraging this technology to make amazing additional passive income, some not just a few $100s, but tens of thousands of dollars per month, per week, and changing and elevating their lives. So welcome you to the Forex Gifting Tribe, the simplest and easiest rewards, up to 45% per month on virtual autopilot. I want to congratulate you for taking the time to invest in your future. If you don't, who else will? Now, before we get started, before we talk about the money and the potential of what you can make, it's important to read this disclaimer that the information in this webinar is for educational purposes only and not investment or financial advice. The passive income industry is risky and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All of our webinars, videos, emails, and social media posts are our own opinions of programs that are working for us. Please understand this before you invest your time or money. Do your research before investing or parting away with your hard-earned money. Number one rule for us is to get you into profits as soon as possible based on your own risk tolerance and goals. You want to start to play with what we refer to as house money as quickly as possible. With that being said, the company that we've partnered up with is called Intelligence Prime Capital. They are an international company committed to providing global users with a comprehensive suite of digital asset services. They specialize in research and development into the future of fintech, such as quantitative trading, leveraged AI trading system, cloud storage systems, and enterprise management software. IP Capital is a Canadian company that has obtained a regulatory license from the Canadian Financial Regulatory Agency. This is their Canadian registration certification. Also, they're registered with the Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Center of Canada, which is called FinTrack, and they have an MSB out of Toronto, which is a money service business license, and they also have a U.S. digital asset regulatory license, as well as most recently, they registered with the Australian Securities and Investment Commission. Now, if you want to be able to examine this at your own pace, at your own leisure, feel free to message your sponsor or get back to who invited you to ask for this PowerPoint, or you can reach out to our community, the Forex Gifting Tribe, and we'll email this out to you. What's so special about this opportunity? Well, first and foremost, no recruiting is required to get paid, meaning you can do this at your own pace, in your own privacy, between you and your capital, and it can be something that you just enjoy day in, day out as an individual. Low entry cost, meaning that you can tiptoe in, you can test it out for a few $100s and scale up at your own pace. No monthly fees, no monthly auto ship. It's a making money opportunity. Nothing like money going to work for you, as well as the element of compounding. More emphasis on investment versus recruiting. Total transparency with two different verticals, MT4 and My FX Book, which we'll cover in detail. Simple button to either withdraw or reinvest earnings on a weekly basis. 97% winning rate on trades with a less than 1% drawdown risk. It's a set it and forget it model that you don't have to learn the difficult trading strategies. The AI bot trades on your behalf. Excellent for novices and seasoned investors. Now, we monitor our trades the same way that a manual trader would monitor their trades, and that is through the MT4 app that you can download for Androids or iOS. This is what screenshots from the MT4 app looks like. As you can see, it lays out all of the information in beautiful details of exactly what's happening in your account, and you get your own specific MT4 login details to view your own account balance, all the trades that are executed on your account, the exact pair, the position, whether it was a buy or a sell, the entry point, the exit point, and the exact amount of profits that were generated. As you can see, just within the first 1/3 of December, 30 trades were taken for a total gross profit of 15.7%. They also provide My FX Book link, which is the third-party integration, third-party validation of cross-reference results. It's the industry standard in Forex to cross-reference your results through My FX Book, and they provide the live link inside their back office for us to examine at our leisure. Now, when it comes to the entry points into this opportunity, there's 3 different levels that you can come in at. But because these are only one-time payments and not reoccurring monthly or annually, just one-time lifetime membership, and separated by a few dollars, we here at the Forex Gifting Tribe, our community, all advocates for the Genius Bot, because why not pay a few dollars more to go from $15 up to 15% per month to up to 30% per month to up to 45% per month for just what is easily a simple night out of dinner that can completely change the amount of money that you make on a weekly, monthly basis. So we are all going with the Genius Bot for that $99.90. We don't even talk about the other 2 bots because it's such a no-brainer decision. Now, when it comes to our principal, the vast majority of our principal is available and liquid to us for withdrawal on any given non-trading date, like Saturday. So on a $1,000 deposit, 20% or $200 is considered a security deposit, which is still used for trading and thus still generates you profit. But it slowly becomes liquid to you week by week at the rate of what you're paying to the company as a service fee. What I mean by that is on a given week of 9% on $1,000, that would be $90, of which there is an 80-20 split of profits. The company keeps 20% and you keep 80%. The 20% that you pay to the company in terms of dollars, in this case, is $18. So $18 of your security deposit is what would become liquid for withdrawal. And next week, more of it, next week, more of it, until the full $200 becomes available to you. The full 20% also becomes liquid to you. Some frequently asked questions about this opportunity. What are the minimum funds needed to open an account? That is just $200 for that one-time $99.90 and a minimum of $100 in your live trading account, which you can fund through BTC or TRC20. Can I add more funds in the future? Yes, you can, anytime through the funding and internal transfer option. Does the company charge any other fees? Other than that one-time $99.90, there is an 80-20 split of profits at the end of each trading week. I'll show you more of that when I go through my live MT4 account. How often can you withdraw principal? You can do so on the weekends when the funds are not in the markets trading, minus any security deposit that is still in holding status. Affiliate commissions, earnings, you can withdraw that at any time. What is the minimum amount to withdraw? Just $10 with a flat $3 withdrawal fee. How long does it take to get your withdrawal payments? Less than 24 hours, generally under 3 hours. How long does KYC approval take? 2 to 5 business days. How often does the bot trade? We're seeing an average of 3 trades per day, Sunday through Thursday evening. Usually all the trades are completed between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Must I download MT4 or install any software to trade? No, MT4 allows us to view the trades. We're not actually executing, adjusting, or closing any trade. So that's completely optional. Now, everything I shared with you up to this point is what you need to know to be able to participate in this opportunity as an individual at your own pace, compound as you wish, withdraw as you wish. This is something you can do totally by yourself as an individual and enjoy the benefits of it completely in your own privacy. Now, if you do see value in it for yourself, of course, you can see value in it for others, and you may know some people that would also love to participate in this passive income and be able to tap into this large industry and be able to pull their share of profits. Now, if you do decide to share this, you do have a referral link that you can use if you wish. It is completely optional. It does not impact your own trading results, but it can help you create some additional income that you can use to boost your trading account, as I will show you that I have done through my own journey. Some of these commissions are one-time and some of them are reoccurring. Let's cover the additional 4 income streams that you can open up by tapping into the referral program. We talked about the first one, which is earning on your own automated trading, which can be up to that 45% per month. Now, the first of these commissions that you can earn by referring others is what's known as the subscription bonus. This is when a referral purchases the bot. The bonus applies only to level 1 direct referrals. In this case, when Mary shares with John and John purchases the Genius Bot subscription for the $99.90, Mary will receive a reward of 10% or $9.90 of the bot purchase price for sharing with John. And that goes for each and every member that Mary shares this opportunity directly with. Now, the second income stream is called the sponsorship bonus. This is when a referral funds their MT4 account. A 5 to 10% reward is given to a sponsor as a sponsorship bonus to direct referrals only. So back to Mary and John, when John goes to fund his trading account, his MT4 account, let's say with $1,000, Mary can qualify by meeting certain requirements and becoming a certain rank. She'll start at 5% and slowly go up to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So she can earn anywhere from 5 to 10% or $50 to $100 on that $1,000 deposit. What's interesting about that is even if Mary doesn't get the full maximum on the first time that John deposits, any future deposit that John makes, whether it's compounding profits, compounding commissions, adding more external funds, Mary will again receive a 5 to 10% commission depending on what rank she is at that current time. And that goes for each and every one of her direct referrals, not just John. This is the third of the income streams for sharing this opportunity with others. It's called the management bonus. Honestly, it is my favorite of the income streams because it's 20 levels of check match and it aligns the interest of you and your team. The more that they make, the more matching that you make. So for example, the people that you've shared directly with, you earn a 30% match of whatever they make from their trades on a weekly basis. So if all of your frontline, meaning people that have used your direct referral link, make $1,000 of profit combined that week, you make 30% or $300 from just the people you've shared it with, outside of what you made from your own trading account. Now, if your referrals go out and use their referral link and share it with others, that would be your level 2. And let's say they also made $1,000 of profits this trading week combined, you would make 20% or $200. And let's say that they've also shared it with others. And now you also have $1,000 worth of profits that were generated on level 3. You would make 10% of that. So you would make $300 on level 1, $200 on level 2, $100 on level 3 that trading week. That's 300 plus 300, that's $600 of commissions that you made just that week outside of your own trading results. And next week, that will tend to increase as the volumes of your organization increases, as you get new members and new referrals, whether it's you bringing them in or your referrals bringing other referrals. This really expands because people have a way of sharing something that they really are benefiting from, and it can spiral into an amazing income stream that blossoms and takes you on an amazing journey of financial growth. And in order to unblock these levels, you need to meet certain requirements. As you can see, there's 3 pillars of requirements. One is your personal investment, the amount of money you have in your own trading account. Yes, you can begin for $100. Then in order to move up these ranks, you would need to increase that to 500 and beyond. Personal sales, this is your frontline volume combined, all the people that have signed up directly with you. And then finally, group sales, which is your entire organizational volume. So to unlock the first 6 levels, which have the vast majority of commissions, all the way to 5%. And of course, it goes even deeper to 20%, 20 levels to 1%. So in order to unlock the first 6 levels, you need to have 3,000 in your own account, 5,000 in frontline volume, and 30,000 in group volume. It's a lot easier than you think. Even if you don't have 3,000 for your own trading account, you can slowly build and earn commissions and compound your commissions as well as your profits to scale up, as several people have done. And I'll show you what I've done, beginning with my own comfortable amount of $1,000 and what I've grown that to. Finally, we have the global bonus, which has been one of the newest income streams that have been added just recently. And this is a global pool that will only be applied to the top 2 ranks, which are the managing director and the shareholder director. Bonus pool will be updated hourly on the official site. Prizes in the pool will be distributed once a month to leaders in the MD and SD level. It's as simple as whatever the pool total is divided by the qualified individuals. There'll be an even split of all of those. There's actually 2 pools, one for the managing directors and one for the shareholder directors. I'll show you the numbers inside of the back office. This is an elegant and colorful chart that shows you the requirements and the benefits of reaching higher and higher ranks, starting with leader, which requires $100 in your own account, 500 in frontline, and 1,000 group volume. And it opens up your first level of commission, which you earn 5% on the direct deposits into their trading account, the first and all future subsequent deposits, as well as 30% match on frontline profits that your team makes. And in order to unlock level 2 or supervisor, you can see what the requirements are. And as we know, the top 2 ranks, managing director, shareholder director, are the ones that participate in the pool. So that completes the slideshow portion of this presentation, and now we're going to dive into some other elements. But you have an amazing opportunity in front of you. You have some amazing resources, including your sponsor, who you should get back to that person, that friend that invited you to check this out, because obviously they love something about it and they want you to be able to participate and earn with them. So get all of your questions answered, join our winning team. We're seeing astronomical success with the timing and action that we're putting in consistently. We're seeing amazing stories from people that have never tapped into online passive incomes, to people that have tried to learn how to trade, to people that have been trading for 7+ years, to people that have tried to do network marketing and have not had much success, to veterans that have a lot of success. All of those people are coming to the table, from your Susie homemaker, who's a stay-at-home mom and looking for some additional income, to a full-time entrepreneur who's looking to expand their portfolio. All of those people are here at the table, to millionaires that are tapping into this. Or people are tapping into this to become millionaires. It's amazing the range of people and all the walks of life that they come from. So at this point, I actually want to invite you to take a step into the back office with me, so I can share with you what to do after you've registered with the referral link of the person that has invited you to this wonderful opportunity. So once you have created your account, you're going to sign in, and this is how you activate your account. You're going to fund your account by going to transactions and funding. You have two funding options, which are TRC20 or BTC. You would send the funds to your wallet address inside of your back office, and once the funds hits your account here, you need to at least have $200 with which to activate your account for the first time. You can have more, of course, and you can always add more funds later on. And then you go to subscription, and you can see the 3 different subscription levels. Of course, we're all going with the Genius Spot, which does up to that 45% per month for that one-time $99.90 and a minimum of $100. You'd hit subscribe, and it would ask how much do you want to put in your trading account. You would put at least 100. It will add on this additional $99.90, which would make it at least 200 that you need. And then it would ask you to also open up this hyperlink of a letter, power of attorney, allowing or granting them the permission to trade on your behalf. And then you would have to check a box, hit submit, and then you would see $100 or at least $100 put into your MT4 trading account, which would be here, right here in your trading account. And also you would be sent your MT4 login details in your email, with which you can log into your own MT4 app and see your balance and account growth. Also, they have embedded the MyFX book link here, which is the third-party verification of results, and you can see the curvature of profitability as it extends all the way to the most recent date. You can see the daily averages over the past several months has been 0.96%. The monthly average has been 33%, and the drawdown risk has been less than 1%. A few other elements to share. You can see 97,000 members around the world are participating in this opportunity currently, with a total aggregate of $146 million. Incredible. And if you go to the dashboard, you can also see what the pool size is, which currently stands at $1.5 million. And you can see half of that is in the MD pool, half of that is in the SD pool. And depending on the leadership board, which shows you all of the MDs and SDs, they will each share in the respective pool. So as you can see, this is the shareholder list of people that qualify in the country that they're qualifying from. And this list is shorter than the managing director, which is a lot more individuals that qualified for it. So either pool you can get into, of course, is beneficial, but the more exclusive one is the shareholder director, which would increase the size of your piece of the pie. A few other aspects to share is that once you have a funded account, you only then will get and submitted your KYC, you will get your referral link and QR code with which you can tap into the referral program, and you can see your organization under network and referrals. And there's some amazing reports that break down each and every element of the commissions and transactions and fund details. And another wonderful aspect that you can view here is the current progression of you reaching the next rank, which if you click on your current rank, it will open up how much you need to reach the next level. So as you can see, these are the numbers that you need to reach shareholder, and these are my current balances, as you can see and our team has been blossoming. So I'm very grateful for the momentum and the work that I've put in consistently, and the journey that we've all begun. And as you can see, it's definitely something that's blossoming because it works. Now, something I wanted to do for a long time that I'm going to be doing here with you today is taking my account to 6 figures. And as you can see, I have this, which by the way, any balance that is here, at least $10 you can withdraw, which you do by going to transactions and payment account. You go to payment account to add your wallet address. So you can go here and you can click create crypto account, which will allow you to nickname your wallet. And we withdraw in USDT TRC20. You put your wallet address, which should begin with a T. It will send you a verification code to your email, and then you can add that wallet address, and then you can go to transactions and withdraw. And so right now, if I wanted to, I could withdraw this 25,000. But what I'm going to do is an internal transfer, which right now, as you can see, this is going to my MT4 account. The other button you have here is withdraw. This is money that can go from your MT4 out to your USDT wallet, and it shows you how much is liquid. Remember that security deposit aspect, and week by week, more of this will become liquid. So right now, I'm going to do a live deposit into my MT4 trading account of $25,000, and then I'm going to send off this code, which will come to my email. And after I put that in, we're going to get to see something amazing and beautiful together. 3, 2, 9, 5, 4, 2. Here we grow. As you can see, internal transfer is successful. Your deposit request proceeded successfully. Let's go to the dashboard. And there we have the beautiful image of a $100,000 account. What a journey this has been. And you don't really understand the full scope of this journey until you look at what it took for me to get there, starting with a $1,000 balance. So I'm going to jump over to my phone and share with you my MT4 journey so you can understand the day-by-day, transaction-by-transaction journey that I've been on to get to where I am right now. So if you are looking into, let me start my broadcast so you can see my my MT4, and then we'll go over the details of my transactions and all of my trades. So if we go over to trades, you can see my current balance stands at exactly $100,000 and 3 cents. And then if we go to history, you can see the deposits that I made. I actually made 2 deposits today of $25,000 each. One was on our regular Zoom call, and this is now on this recording. And then if we go to month, I want to show you the beginning of all of this, which happened on December 2nd. As you can see, the first transaction was a $1,000 deposit on that December 2nd. And then December 3rd was the first day of trading. And then over here, this right here is not a loss. Every Saturday, all the profits that are generated are withdrawn, and the company keeps 20% and they deposit 80% into your back office for you to decide what you want to do with that. You can withdraw all of it, you can compound all of it, you can do a 50-50 split, up to you and your goals. Now, there's another week of trading that we see, and then another Saturday rolls around, and then another week of trading. And by the way, the blue represents profitable trades. And then we're seeing the withdrawals in red. Another Saturday. Here you can see I have rolled in my commissions that I've earned from the referral program. So begin with $1,000, what I was comfortable with, as there's risks and rewards in all opportunities, especially in trading. So be comfortable with the amount of capital that you're putting in, and understand the risks and rewards. So now I used my sweat equity to earn $2,000 through this opportunities referral program, and now I topped up from 1,000 to 3,000, and then 3,000 to 5,000, and then 5,000 to 10,000 here. And then another Saturday rolls around, the profits are getting more, and then from 10,000 to 15,500, and then 15,500 to 16,000, and then 16,000 to 17,900. And then another Saturday rolls around, another 7,100, which takes us to 25,000. And then another week of trading, as you can see, the trading profits are increasing. And then another Saturday, and then this took me from 25,000 to 30,000. And then another week of trading, and then another Saturday, 80-20 split of that. and then another Saturday. And then right here, this was last weekend, went from 30,000 to 50,000, and then had another week of trading, and you can see the profits are getting quite handsome, as well as the lot sizes are increasing, which are on the left hand side. And then this weekend, the profits for this last week was 3,500, 80-20 split of that. I was also showing somebody that you can withdraw the vast majority of your account balance, and that's where you see that $40,000 withdrawal, which I demonstrated that you can withdraw your principal definitely 80%, if not higher. And then I did $25,000 deposit earlier today, and then right here with you live, I did, or on this recording, I did this additional 25,000 to bring my account. Well, it shows 140,000 because of that 40,000 that I demonstrated the liquidity of. But as you can see right here, a $100,000 account. Now, what's so interesting and fascinating about that is I have grown that through sweat equity. I have built this six-figure account with a $1,000 account and putting in consistent work, and that is what's possible for anyone. I wanted to show what's possible, so that I began with $1,000 to get to a six-figure $100,000 account in a span of, by the way, as you saw, I began on December 2nd. So I just typed this in right before the Zoom. How many days has it been since December 2nd? 59 days. In less than 2 months, went from $1,000 to a $100,000 account, as well as building an amazing weekly residual income of, I'm shocked to even say this, but over $50,000 a week. That is the power and potential of this opportunity. Now, let me provide you some resources that would be helpful to you in your endeavor. All of these recordings of these Zooms are found in our community YouTube channel, which is called The Gifting Tribe. You're more than welcome to leverage any of these recordings for your own benefit. They don't have any referral links. They have a link to our Facebook group, which is the Forex Gifting Tribe. And you're invited to join this, as well as share this with your community. We celebrate each other's successes. We ask questions. We get the support we need. It's an amazing journey that has blossomed to now over 1,300 people in the group, and you're invited. So thank you for allowing me to present this opportunity to you. Hopefully you see something that sparks your imagination and see why someone or your friend has shared this with you. There is tremendous potential for you to work on this passively, plug and profit, as well as actively, because once you put in the capital that you're comfortable with, what else is there to do? Because this is on autopilot. So why not tap into the referral program and bless other people? I'm grateful that it was brought to me, and I'm sure a lot of people are grateful that I brought it to them. And I'm sure you might someday be grateful that it was brought to you. With that being said, let's continue to grow and elevate each other as a part of the Forex Gifting Tribe. I will catch you guys at the top. Peace.